Introducing aPriori.
Here comes one of our success story. So you can see 5 products, 5 similar products that's used in 5 different regions. Our top management asked it to do some benchmarking on these 5 products, and we have given with some shorter lead time to do this case. Talking about criticality about this project, each and every product is having more than 100 parts. I say 600 parts we have done shoe casting within a short time frame, and complex supply chain also affected our shoe, the lead time. And competence, of course, different competence required for each and every product. So to overcome all those issues, we have used 100% aPriori casting to ensure the repeatability and reproducibility on the numbers, and also similar subassembly given to the same shoe cast engineer, so that he can understand the design differences and the cost differences, and he came up with the report on the factors. On a business outcome, I would say by seeing the results, the product owners already higher than the product force, I would say 11%. So based on our results and our identification, design team can able to harmonize the products, and the other products also got cheaper now. Even with this product 4, we have even reduced the price by another 4 to 5% by accommodating economical design from other products. Maybe I would say now the product 4 looks 15 to 16% cheaper than this old product on design. So this is one of our achievement.
aPriori, making profitability and sustainability a reality for a better world.